Calling the Duluth aerial bridge.
You'll let you get a little closer, Captain. I'll get out of your way.
Okay, just coming up to the 1.5 miles. Sounds good.
Roger.
The Presque Isle. What you guys just heard is known as the Master Salute. It is 3 long and 2 short blasts of the horn, initiated by the Presque Isle and reciprocated by the bridge. The Presque Isle is a self-unloading barge and integrated tug. It was built in 1973. The tug was built by Halter Marine Services in New Orleans, Louisiana. The barge was built in 2 sections by DeFoe Shipbuilding Company of Bay City, Michigan, and Erie Marine of Erie, Pennsylvania. Combined, the tug and barge measure 1,000 feet length, 105 feet width, and 46 feet depth. The tug is powered by 7,400 horsepower, 16-cylinder Blackstone diesel engines, which give a top speed of 14 knots or about 60 miles per hour. If you see any crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave. And if you see a funny little, what is that thing called? You know, they got those moving, waving hands. Wave at that thing, because that's pretty fun. The Presque Isle has 27 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. What you guys just heard is known as the Captain Salute. Today the Presque Isle is coming in to get some fuel over at Husky. And afterwards, they are going to be going to load some iron ore pellets. But once again, if you see any crew on board, make sure you give them a big wave. See that weird blow-up thingy, make sure you wave at that too. The Presque Isle has the ability to carry a maximum of 57,500 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo without the aid of shoreside equipment. But once again, coming in, we have the Presque Isle. She was built in 1973, coming in to get some fuel, and she's 1,000 feet long.
Thank you, Duluth aerial.